Ukraine's CERT-UA fell prey to a phishing campaign mimicked by threat actor UAC0255, targeting recipients with AGEWHEEZE malware on March 26, 27, 2026.
But first, a word from our sponsor.
Stonefly's NAS storage appliance, recognized by DCIG as a top backup target for 2025 to 2026, offers 100 terabyte of secure air-gapped storage for $9,995. Contact sales stonefly.com to schedule a demo. Hackers sent emails posing as CERT-UA, using password-protected zip files to escape detection, pushing users to deploy AGEWHEEZE. This malware allows unauthorized network control. The campaign relied on CERT-UA's trust, password-protected archives, and dangerous malware for lasting access. Stay protected, use layered email filters, train staff in phishing awareness, verify emails, and keep endpoint protection current. Phishing schemes leverage trusted names like CERT-UA to deceive. Rigorous verification and cautious handling of unsolicited files are vital to cybersecurity. Subscribe for more cybersecurity insights and updates.